Number 12. That's no hill for a stepper.
Well, they were basically speaking there of horsepower, real horses, and a good pulling horse would top over the hill, and where maybe another older horse or something wasn't quite as well conditioned would have trouble getting up over the hill. So it became a metaphor for humans, and if they could accomplish a task easily, why they would just compare the man or the human to the horse and say, well, that's no hill for a stepper, where he can accomplish that, or he can jump so many feet, or he can pole vault so many feet, or if he can get the job done, why then that's no hill for a stepper. And I had some other flashback there, similar thing to it, but I can't recall at the moment. But anyway, if you could handle it real easy. Oh, I know what it was. There was an expression, hadn't even thought about it for a long time. A good man. It took a good man to be able to stand in a half bushel and shoulder two. Well, what they were talking about was you had your feet firmly together in a half a bushel basket, which was kind of a measure they used at a threshing machine to catch the wheat, and in time there you sort of get their idea of how much chaff was in it. Did they have to change the settings on the machine for airflow and stuff? But anyway, if you put your feet in the basket, you could not spread your legs apart, and then you had to reach down and pick up 2 bushels of wheat, which was 120 pounds, in a wheat sack, and because wheat was 60 pounds per bushel, so to stand in a half a bushel and go down to the ground and pick up 120 pounds and put it up on your shoulder, it took a darn strong guy to do that. So stand in a half a bushel and shoulder two. Hadn't thought about that expression in a long time. But that would kind of go with this no hill for a stepper, so.